Hey there, science fans! Are you ready to embark on a journey into one of the most thrilling areas of artificial intelligence? Today, we're diving into the exciting world of reinforcement learning, or RL for short. This field is revolutionizing how machines learn and adapt. Imagine a robot learning to ride a bike. It might seem like science fiction, but it's very real and incredibly fascinating. The robot tries different things, learns from its mistakes, and eventually masters the skill. That's RL in action. It's all about trial and error, just like how we learn new skills. RL is a type of machine learning where an agent learns to make decisions by interacting with an environment. This environment can be anything from a virtual game to the real world. The agent takes actions, receives feedback in the form of rewards or penalties, and uses that feedback to improve its behavior over time. This continuous loop of action and feedback is what makes RL so powerful. Think of training a dog. You use treats as rewards for good behavior, and the dog learns to repeat those actions. It's a simple yet effective method. You use treats as rewards for good behavior, and the dog learns to repeat those actions. Over time, the dog gets better at performing tricks and following commands. RL is similar but much more powerful, allowing machines to learn complex tasks without explicit programming. This means that machines can adapt to new situations and solve problems that weren't anticipated by their programmers. This technology is changing the world around us, from self-driving cars that navigate busy streets to personalized recommendations on your favorite streaming service that seem to know exactly what you want to watch next. It's a fascinating field with endless possibilities. From healthcare to finance, RL is making waves in various industries, pushing the boundaries of what machines can achieve. So, stay tuned as we explore more about this incredible technology. In RL, tasks can be episodic or continuous. Let's start with episodic tasks. Imagine playing a game of chess. You make moves, your opponent responds, and the game continues until there's a winner or a draw. Each game of chess is like an episode in RL. It has a clear beginning and end. The agent's goal is to learn a strategy that maximizes its chances of winning within each episode. Other examples of episodic tasks include playing a video game level, solving a maze, and completing a manufacturing process. In each case, the task is broken down into discrete episodes, and the agent's performance is evaluated based on its success within each episode. Now let's talk about continuous tasks. Imagine driving a car. You don't have a specific endpoint like in a game of chess. You're constantly making decisions to stay on the road, avoid obstacles, and reach your destination. Continuous tasks like driving don't have clear episodes. The agent's goal is to maximize its long-term rewards over a continuous period of time. Here are some other examples of continuous tasks: controlling a robot in a dynamic environment, managing a stock portfolio, and optimizing energy consumption in a building. In these tasks, the agent needs to continuously adapt to changing conditions and make decisions that lead to the best overall outcome over time. One of the biggest challenges in RL is the trade-off between exploration and exploitation. Imagine you're at an ice cream shop. You know you love chocolate, but there's a new flavor you've never tried before. Do you stick with what you know, exploit, or try something new, explore? In RL, the agent faces a similar dilemma. It can exploit its current knowledge to maximize immediate rewards, or it can explore new actions to potentially discover even better rewards in the future. Finding the right balance between exploration and exploitation is crucial for the agent's success. Too much exploitation, and it might miss out on better options. Too much exploration, and it might not make progress towards its goals. Section 5. The E-greedy algorithm, a balancing act. This section delves into the delicate equilibrium between two crucial aspects of decision-making: exploration and exploitation. So how do we balance exploration and exploitation? This is a fundamental question in the field of reinforcement learning and decision theory. One popular strategy is the E-greedy algorithm. This algorithm provides a structured approach to making decisions that can help optimize outcomes over time. Think of it like flipping a coin. The randomness of a coin flip is akin to the randomness introduced by the E-greedy algorithm. Let's say you're feeling adventurous and set epsilon to 0.2. This means you're open to new experiences and willing to take some risks. That means there's a 20% chance you'll try a random ice cream flavor and an 80% chance you'll stick with your beloved chocolate. This balance allows you to enjoy the best of both worlds. In reinforcement learning, the agent uses the E-greedy algorithm to decide on its actions. This method helps the agent learn and adapt over time. With probability epsilon, it chooses a random action to explore. This randomness is crucial for discovering new strategies and improving performance. With probability 1 minus epsilon, it chooses the action that it believes will yield the highest reward based on its current knowledge. This ensures that the agent leverages its learning to make the best possible decisions. The E-greedy algorithm is a simple but effective way to balance exploration and exploitation. It provides a framework for making decisions that can lead to optimal outcomes. By gradually decreasing epsilon over time, the agent can transition from exploration to exploitation as it gains more experience. This gradual shift allows the agent to become more efficient and effective in its decision-making process, ultimately leading to better performance and outcomes. Section 6. The importance of exploration and exploitation. The exploration-exploitation dilemma is a fundamental challenge in reinforcement learning, and it has significant implications for the agent's performance. Here's why finding the right balance is so important. Exploration allows the agent to discover new and potentially better strategies that it might not find by simply exploiting its current knowledge. On the other hand, exploitation enables the agent to make use of its existing knowledge to achieve its goals efficiently. Striking the right balance between these two competing objectives is crucial for the agent to learn effectively and achieve optimal performance in the long run. Section 7. Real-world applications of reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning is already having a significant impact on various industries, and its applications are only going to grow in the future. Here are some examples. In robotics, reinforcement learning is used to train robots for tasks like grasping objects, navigating complex environments, and even playing games like ping pong. These robots learn through trial and error, improving their performance over time. This technology is not only enhancing the efficiency of industrial robots, but also paving the way for more advanced service robots that can assist in everyday tasks. In healthcare, reinforcement learning is being used to develop personalized treatment plans for patients, optimize drug dosages, and even assist with surgery. By analyzing vast amounts of patient data, these systems can predict the most effective treatments for individual patients, leading to better outcomes. Additionally, robotic-assisted surgeries are becoming more precise and less invasive, thanks to reinforcement learning algorithms that help guide surgical instruments with high accuracy. In finance, reinforcement learning is being applied in areas like algorithmic trading, portfolio management, and fraud detection. These algorithms can analyze market trends and make trading decisions at speeds and accuracies far beyond human capabilities. They can also detect unusual patterns that may indicate fraudulent activities, helping to protect financial institutions and their clients from potential losses. And in gaming, reinforcement learning has been used to create AI agents that can beat professional human players in games like Go, chess, and Dota 2. These AI systems learn from millions of game simulations, developing strategies that are often beyond human comprehension. This not only provides challenging opponents for players, but also pushes the boundaries of what AI can achieve in strategic thinking and decision-making. These are just a few examples of how reinforcement learning is being used to solve real-world problems. From improving industrial processes to enhancing personal healthcare, the potential applications are vast and varied. As the field continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovative applications emerge in the years to come. The integration of reinforcement learning with other technologies like the Internet of Things, IoT, and big data analytics will likely lead to even more groundbreaking solutions, transforming industries and improving our daily lives in ways we can only begin to imagine. Section 8. Challenges and future directions. Despite its impressive capabilities, reinforcement learning still faces several challenges. Sample efficiency. Reinforcement learning algorithms often require a massive amount of data to learn effectively. Generalization. Reinforcement learning agents can struggle to generalize their learned behavior to new, unseen situations. Safety and ethics. As reinforcement learning systems become more powerful, ensuring their safety and ethical use is crucial. Researchers are actively working on addressing these challenges, and the field is constantly evolving. Some promising areas of research include developing more data-efficient reinforcement learning algorithms, improving the generalization ability of reinforcement learning agents, and designing safe and robust reinforcement learning systems. Section 9. Conclusion: the future is learning. Reinforcement learning is a powerful paradigm for creating intelligent agents that can learn from their experiences and make optimal decisions. By understanding the concepts of episodic and continuous tasks, the exploration-exploitation dilemma, and strategies like the epsilon-greedy algorithm, we can unlock the potential of reinforcement learning to solve complex problems and shape the future of various industries. As we continue to push the boundaries of this exciting field, the possibilities for innovation and progress are truly limitless.